where I did not cut, where I did cut, I will right there, and then did not cut. It was hard to use a sickle and cut. And then I was trying to cut it down, see? That's what it was. And that's what it is now. I'm trying. This is a lovely bush that I take care of. Isn't it pretty? He's lovely. He's God's favorite color, purple. Isn't that pretty? Isn't he beautiful? It gave me a weird looking cherry last year. Isn't it pretty? I go up under there and clean under it. I could see some stuff still there, huh? See, they got all this grass. See all that thick that we could be farming on. Right, guys? Yup. All that grass. Well, getting to be day now. Pretty out. Rainy day, but that's okay. I can squint and see. Okay, watch where I'm walking now. Sort of. I'm using the camera to see. It makes it magnified. Anybody ever think of that when you can't see good? It brings the ground up close. You see where you're walking before you get there. Okay, over here. I left this plant. Uh-oh, someone let you escape. See? I chopped all that down too. Chopped all that down. We have a tree growing out the side of the house, or weed, whatever. That is my cat. Can you hear my kitty in the window? Oh, meow, Mom. Oh, I guess we can't see him though, huh? Can you see him? I can't. Hello? Well, I hear you. Oh, you're down there. Hello. Can they see you through there? You be good. I love you, kitty kitty. Yes, I do. You're just mad because I'm outside and you're not. Okay. I have red pepper with green letters. I think that's funny. We'll hope it grows. And then Mr. Spidey, he's taking over there. Look at him, ain't that pretty? He's doing real good. He was dying there for a while. See the little brown? Little bit of water there. I guess I better move him, huh? And then I forgot what I put in there. You see it growing? Is it a squash? Somebody tell me. Huh? See it? And then I left this thing to grow. See it growing there. And here's where all my bees live. See my potatoes? They were in a drawer. And some really not nice person came along and broke the drawer down onto the ground. So I just left them there. And look at how big they got. Okay, isn't that cute? If I could actually eat them, I don't think so, because they use a lot of rat poisoning around here, so it's not edible. this weird place. Whoa, I tripped over the water thing. I tripped over the water bucket thingies. Is where I have a lot of bees living in there, and no one will come back here. I will, and because they do not bother me, and they're very, very big. They're like half of my thumb big. They're big bees, people. Yeah, and so that's where the bees live. And they want to kill them, and I keep saying, no, you can't kill them. Really, we need the bees, okay? Okay, walking around over here. It's really nothing really, just broken up ground. Some plants that I had put in last year apparently decided they would grow for me. See? And they wanted to throw my tires away too. I mean, come on, guys. I gotta pick up my stuff. And that one here, he ain't doing so good, but okay, see, they broke it all. See what they did? And they broke it all up. They don't care. And I got things growing over here. Let's see. Of course, I do not know what I'm growing. And then I grew a tree. Look. See my tree? I grew him. And then I grew this thing. See him? From a dinky winky little one leaf. And look at him grow. Look at him now. Ta-da! I'm reaching to the sun, Lucy. Just for you. And it grew this long bamboo looking thing. It was really cool. But I like it. It gives me pleasure to see it there. And that's about the end of my tour. Okay, and I have to go in now because it's getting to be day. And not really that bright, so I can't say that, but better go in now. Everybody have a good day. Love, peace, forgiveness. Lucy.